Hello and welcome to today's project. My name is Muema from Property Noma.
I am Fidelis Maiba, a quantity surveyor and a project manager.
I am Felicita Gikonyo, a professional realtor and a project manager.
Both Mr. and Mrs. Maiba are from Batir Consultants, and we are going to discuss the construction details to get this house to where it is today. And starting off, Mr. Maiba, kindly tell us where we are and Mrs. Maiba, the features of this house.
Okay, we are in Kirinyaga County, Kemotogo, and like a small town called Gituba.
For the features of the house, this is a 2-bedroom, an open plan kitchen, and also 2 bedrooms sharing 1 common room. We also have a chicken house and a store.
For this house, did you do the design work or did the clients come with their own design beforehand?
Okay, this is a typical house that we did in Muranga on March. So we just modified it, and the chicken house we also modified it, but we are the ones who have designed the 2 projects. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for clients, they can approach you from the design.
Yeah. Any client, if you don't have an architectural plan, you can be able to engage us. We can be able to do 3D illustrations. You are able to see your house even before you get in. Then we do the quotations. But if you have the drawings, you can also work with your drawings. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
How long have you been on site for this project?
This project, we are also on our 3rd week, going to the 4th week, because it is just 1 week after the Muranga. We just did 1 week in Muranga, then we started this one. So we are on our 3rd week right now.
Okay.
Yes.
Where did you source the panels from, Mrs. Maiba?
Okay, we sourced our panels from Kingdom Precast Solutions at Rwaka by Mr. Sammy Wambua. Yeah.
And do you have the details like the transport costs of bringing the panels and how many trips one needed?
Okay, we had 2 trips. Each trip costed 26,000 each.
All right. So starting off with the foundation, kindly tell us the type of soil and the nature of the foundation. Did you face any challenges when setting up the foundation?
Here we didn't have any challenge. Here it's the central area. The soil is good soil. We had an existing house that we demolished. It was a mud house that had been here since 1987. So they had their own technology then. So it was a mud house done with plaster works. And for us, the foundation is the normal strip footing, the foundation wall, then the slab. The soil here is very stable.
How long did it take to set up the foundation?
The foundation, we took a week maximum. We had already finished up with everything.
All right.
Yes.
So you said there was an old house before.
Yes.
Did it occupy like the entire 60 square meters, or was it smaller?
The house was quite big. It was going next to the coffee.
Yeah.
And going there to the lower side, the same size. It was a bigger house, but a mud house it was big. It was very spacious.
All right. Moving on to the walling, how many panels did you use and the height, Mrs. Maiba?
Okay, so we used 2.7 meters high panels for the walling. They were around 85 pieces. Then we also used 85 channels for the walling. Then we also used the 1 meter panels for the parapet. Then that is for the 2-bedroom house. For the chicken house and the store, we had 30 panels and 25 channels. Yes.
Looking at the front of this house, someone can say it has been plastered.
Yes.
Is there a reason for that?
We decided to do the plaster. It has not any impact. We just opted to do the plaster. The panels that they had used, they were not looking good for us. In terms, they had set them. So we decided to put a plaster to make it more smoother. Yeah.
And is this a waterproof plaster?
Yeah, this is waterproof plaster to ensure that water does not leak to the inside part of the house.
Yeah.
Because it's a flat roof, so the wall will be hit by rain 24/7.
Okay.
Yes.
Is there a name for the waterproofing?
Yeah, we use a company called Sika. Sika, it's a waterproof they're in along Mombasa Road. It's a yellow bag.
Okay.
It's a very long-lasting solution and waterproof.
How long did it take to do the walling, the entire walling plus the partitions?
We took a maximum of 4 days. 4 days we are done. We were finishing up the 5th and the 6th day on the windows and the doors. So a maximum of just 1 week, we had already finished up with the whole house. The roofing had started.
Talking about the roof, what kind of roof did the client choose?
Also, this is a hidden roof with a butterfly concept. And we also had coping for waterproofing and also the waterproof plaster on the parapet. Yes.
Okay. How long did it take to set up the roof?
3 days they had already finished. They had started doing the ceiling and the branderings. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is the hidden roof cost saving when you compare to the pitched roof?
The picture. Uh, Normally it's the same costs. The cost difference is less than 50,000 for a big house. Now for a small house like this, the cost is the same. I just asked the client which option she wants. She wanted to go with this one, but the cost did not change. The cost is the same because for the hidden roof, you have less timber and less mabati, but in terms of you have to hide it with the parapet. And by introducing the parapets, you have the walls, you have to buy the channels and also do the waterproof plaster, then you do the paint. So all that cost, when you put them together, is the same cost as just doing the normal mabati.
Up to now, do you have the cost estimate to reach this stage? And when the house is done, how much do you think it will be by then?
For the 2-bedroom house, the total cost estimate was 2.3 million. And so far, we are at 1.8 million. For the chicken house and the store, the total cost is 600,000. And so far, we are at 350. Yes.
Mr. Maiba, I'd
Yes,
like you to show us the living room and the kitchen before it's done.
Yeah.
And also we can talk about some design aesthetics for this house. Yes.
Okay. For us, we didn't want it to have just a common design, so we introduced the columns. These are done by Precast, and the client wanted us to do some CNC cuttings or any decorations on those spaces, or we put glass so it will be covered so that you can sit there without any wind.
And talking about the windows and doors,
Yeah.
did the client use their own fabricator, or did you do it for them?
We do everything in house. So this is our own fabricator who we work with. So we designed the windows. The client was open to any design. So we came up with our own designs. Then we were able to fabricate it on site.
Okay.
Yes.
That's for both the windows and the door.
Yeah, the windows and the door. Yeah.
Okay.
This is a typical door that the client loved, like from the project in Gikambura. So
Yes.
we replicated the same design, so that she had decided to go with it.
All right.
Yes.
Okay. You can show us now the living room.
Welcome to our living room. So this is the living room area. We have a very big window. Maybe you can come this side and see how big the window is. This is the TV area. We'll have this area for the TV. So we had 2 windows at the side.
Yeah.
The big window to bring maximum light inside the house. And we are finishing up. So we have already finished even the floor screed. We are waiting to do the tile work and we finish up on the house.
Yeah. I can also see you're also done with the ceiling.
Yeah, the ceiling, we've already done the chipboard ceiling is the affordable option.
Yes.
Then now we start doing the paint work and the tile work from tomorrow.
All right.
Yes.
Seeing the kitchen is a bit spacious because is there like a dining room here?
No.
Mostly it's the living and the kitchen.
Yeah, we have the worktop. Maybe somebody can eat from this space.
Yes.
So you can use this space for eating.
It makes the kitchen bigger.
Yeah, it makes the very, very big.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, guys. You've seen the house under construction. Next, we'll showcase it when it's done, and hopefully we can do it. We can tour the house with the client when it's done. I'll share some clips of the store and the chicken house because I know some of you may have ideas to do something like that.
Yes.
You'll see them in the clips here. Yes. So with that, thanks for watching this video. We shall see you in part 2.